If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, I talk about personal finances, whether it's cash stuffing my envelopes, whether it's my budget, whether it's paying off debt. Ooh, I just put some, what is this? Some shea butter on my hands, and it looks nice. Ooh. Anyways, that's besides the point. So this video is going to be a cash envelope stuffing. Typically, I write my budget while doing the cash envelope stuffing within the same video, but today I'm not gonna do that because I thought my camera broke and I was so devastated. I was about to do all of this off camera and call it a day, but my camera is working now and I forgot to delete some files. I'll be back. And we are back. So I whip my own shea butter and I just love it. It just makes my hands so shiny. But anyways, once again, not the point. So if today is Valentine's Day. So today is Valentine's Day. It's paycheck day. And this is the first paycheck of February. But back to my camera almost breaking. I really thought my camera broke and I don't have the money in my budget to buy a new camera lens. I thought the lens was broken. And a new camera lens is basically $300 and up. And I can't not afford it. Especially with me cutting down my hours to the point where I'm not making as much money as I could possibly be because of student teaching and being at the school from the time school opens to the time school closes. So I don't get to work until 3 o'clock when I should be starting at 2. So I'm losing an hour 4 days a week. So it sucks, but yeah, it sucks, but thank God it's working now. Thank God. So right now, this is my budget. We'll just go over it briefly. Let's get a little closer. Okay. So I got paid $374, not as much as last paycheck. Last paycheck I got $411. The paycheck before that I got $392. This was actually a little bit on the lower side, but understandable. I'm cutting my hours. It actually might get lower than this. So that's sad. If you want to support your girl, don't be scared or shy to go shop for some envelopes or some budget stickers, because this is my budget stickers. So don't be scared. Buy some stuff. Support your girl during this semester of student teaching when she cannot make enough money. So yeah, that's my legit shameless plug. So this pay period, I have to pay off my credit card. My goal is to pay $200 for my credit card, but clearly that cannot happen from this pay period. So I am pulling some money from my sinking fund because I need to kickstart this debt-free journey, and the only way I have to do that is by paying $200, at least $200 each pay period, well, each month, because it's getting ridiculous. I'll talk about that in another video, but the credit card needs to go down like in 6 months. In 6 months, it needs to be at least half of what it is now. Hulu, I have to pay Hulu $12, then automatic house saving, because we are doing a challenge. It's $84 every paycheck, so that's where the $84 is. Then personal savings, I have been neglecting my personal savings, and I need to get back on it and start saving at least $5 a pay period. Then that total is $236. Leftover is $130. Then we have food. We're doing $40 for food this week. only because next week, oh, mind you, working after school is it's really a hassle because they have so many breaks. They have so many breaks. Next week we do not have work because they do not have school, so it sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. It's a well-needed break, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. So food, we have $40. We have $40 because this money I'm gonna use to buy his birthday cake, which I already bought it, so I didn't pull that money out. But I bought his birthday cake online because it had to be bought online, and it came up to $39.19. Then gas, $40, which I got my car, y'all. I got the car. Is it a great car? No, it's not. It's really not. Like, well, maybe I'll save that for a sinking fund update, but it's not. I have to buy a signal relay because the signal is not working. Yeah, so thank God I have money in my sinking fund for cars, so that's gonna come from there. But other than that, it's a good car. Not the best, but it's I guess for your first car, you're never gonna get the best car. Then the total is $130, but because of the badness with my car, basically, I'm still using public transportation. So actually this should be higher, but because I didn't get paid that much and I have $130 coming out of this pay period, I can't give too much to gas and transportation. Then move over to my sinking funds. I am saving up for a MacBook, still saving up for that. And I'm putting $5 for school. That's $10, and then now we're up to $0. So everything amount to $0. So that's basically the rundown of my budget for this pay period. Now let's go on to the stuffing aspects. Okay, so let's start with my cash envelopes. Obviously, let's go through everything and let's see if there's any change. I actually have change in my pocket, in my jacket, but we'll get that out of the way soon. So nothing is really here. Let's get the change from my pocket. Okay, so this is all the change that we have from this pay period. I'm going to put it on the side. Okay, so this is the Budget Boss Girl wallet. Link will be, hopefully the link will be down below. I always forget to put the links. But if you don't see the link, just comment down below and tell me to put the links, and I'll put the links. So eating out. So after yesterday, I went out to eat. So instead of getting 40, we are getting, hold on, let me do this math. 40 minus 7. We are getting $33. So 10 to 22 fives, and then this was the change from that night. So $33. So let's see, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So that's how much we are eating out. So the only good thing about the break is that I'm not really going anywhere, so I shouldn't be eating a lot. and I shouldn't be needing a lot of transportation. So that's the only blessing about this. Then me is getting nothing. I already did my eyebrows and I did my lashes because you know it's Valentine's Day. In a little rush because I need to leave. Us. Us is getting $40. Us is not getting $40. What was I saying? Because I was like, what is going on? No. Then we're going to gas because gas is next. But gas, I already put $10 on my Metro card, so technically I don't need to put $40. I have to put $30. So 20 and then 30. My gas tank is actually full, so the other 10 would actually be going towards Metro cards for next week. And that's basically it. And then the 20, if anything, that would stay in my wallet. Let's see if I can save that. And then entertainment's getting nothing, toiletry's getting nothing. Wait, did I put gas in me? I put gas in us. Wow. Okay. Gas money is going in the gas envelope. So that's basically it for my wallet. It's really 1, 2, 3. Now let's go to our sinking funds, and I'm only stuffing 2 categories. So I'm stuffing MacBook with $5, and I am stuffing school with $5. And that's basically it for today's video. This money here is because I took way too much money. So 5, 10, 15, 20, $30. I took $30 way too much than I needed to, because I really needed 80. I really needed to take out $80, no, $90, but I took out $110 because my math was wrong. I don't know how I messed up the pre-budget, but when I put the real budget, it's always right. So yeah, so this is going back in the bank along with the money that I took from sinking funds to round up my credit card payment to $200. So what I will be putting back in the bank is, it will be 20, 40, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So I am putting $85 back into the bank for credit card purposes and bill purposes. If I take too much, I'll take it out and stuff it where it needs to be restuffed into. But that's basically it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.